Oh yeah, oh yeah. When the road get rough, don't you lose your way. Your light shining brighter every day. I woke up this morning, heart feeling low, storm in my spirit, nowhere to go. But I heard a whisper deep in my soul, child, keep walking, I'm in control. Through the valleys and the broken dreams, through the silence and the unseen things, there's a fire burning, can't you see? Jah never leave his children in need. Light of Jah will guide your way through the night into the day. Hold the faith, don't drift away. Jah love stronger than the pain. Rise up now, don't be afraid. Every tear will fade away. Sing his name, let your heart say, Jah is love forever, always. Yeah, Babylon try to pull you down low. System full of pressure, but your spirit must grow. See the truth in the word, let it overflow. Righteous path, that's the way we go. No weapon formed shall ever prosper. Faith in the King make the weak man conquer. From the ghetto to the hilltop higher, holy flame burning like a fire. Light a guide, will guide your way through the night into the day. Hold the faith, don't drift away. Jah love stronger than the pain. When the world turn cold and gray, Jah love never fade away. Hear the angels softly say, you are never alone. Carry the cross though it heavy sometimes. Grace and mercy write your lines. Every struggle got a reason divine. Jah timing always right on time. From the ashes we rise again. Wash away all fear and sin. Let his kingdom live within. That's where true life begins. So don't you worry, no, no. Jah walk beside you everywhere you go. Keep the faith, let your spirit glow. When the burden feel heavy like a mountain on your chest, and the world keep testing, never giving you rest. Close your eyes, take a breath, hear the spirit confess. You are chosen, you are blessed, you are more than your stress. Even when the road twists and the journey seem long, Jah give you a melody to turn pain into song. Every tear that you cry make your spirit grow strong. In the darkest of nights, that's where faith belong. Verse 5 from the streets where the struggle never sleep at night, to the hearts full of dreams still searching for light. Jah calling every soul to stand up and fight, not with weapons of war but with truth and right. Let your voice be heard like a lion in Zion. Stand firm in the faith, never bow to no iron chains might hold your body, but your soul keep flying. Jah kingdom within, that's the truth we rely on. See the rain fall down, but it washing your pain. Every drop from the sky bring healing a day. Through the losses and the crosses, to the joy and the gain. Jah write your story, every chapter ordained. So don't rush the process, let your spirit unfold. Every trial you face, turn your heart into gold. There's a promise in the word that will never grow old. Jah love everlasting, more precious than gold. See the rain fall down, but it washing your pain. Every drop from the sky bring healing again. Through the losses and the crosses, through the joy and the gain. Jah write your story, every chapter ordained. So don't rush the process, let your spirit unfold. Every trial you face, turn your heart into gold. There's a promise in the word that will never grow old. Jah love everlasting, more precious than gold. When them try to deceive and lead you astray with illusion, with them fusion, every single day stand firm on the rock, don't you drift away. Truth at the compass, let it guide your way. Through the noise of the world and the lies them create, Jah voice still whisper telling you to be great. Keep your eyes to the sky, don't you focus on hate. Love will open every door, every lock, every gate. Even when your friends turn stranger overnight, and the ones you trust fade out of sight, Jah remain the same, me your guiding light. Never leave your side in the darkest fight. So forgive and release every pain that you hold. Don't let bitterness turn your spirit cold. There's a
a freedom in grace that is worth more than gold, and a peace in your soul that can never be sold. From the valley of sorrow to the mountain of praise, every step that you take, Jah already paved. Through the fire and the flood, through the nights and the days, He's the Alpha and Omega, ancient of days. So rejoice in the journey, every high and low. There's a lesson in the seed that you plant and sow. Even when you don't see how the blessing will grow, Jah working behind scenes more than you know. When your dreams feel distant and your hope feel thin, and the doubts start knocking, trying to creep within, remember who you are and the strength you've been given. You're a child of the King, born to rise and win. Let your faith be louder than the fear inside. Let your prayers be the weapon that you never hide. With Jah as your shield and your constant guide, no storm in this life can turn back your tide. Through the trials and the tests, every lesson divine, Jah shaping your heart like a grand design. Every star tell a story, every wound a line, with the purpose so deep